Okay, so we have a model airplane traveling at a speed of 59 meters per second at a bearing of 214 degrees. So that's going to be a true bearing. So let's sketch that out. Here we have our coordinate plane and 214 degrees. Okay, that's 180. Coming around here would be right here. So it's 59 meters. Okay, so this is 180. So 214, I'm trying to figure out the angle is down there. 214 minus 180 would give you 34 degrees. This angle right here is 34 degrees. And so then if I'm trying to get my angle from the trig, I would say if that's 34 degrees, then 90 minus 34 degrees is 56. So this angle is 56. The reason I want that angle is I want to add 180 and 56. So this is from here to here is 180 degrees, and then I'm adding the 56. So 180 plus 56 gives me an angle of 236. Okay, so that first vector would be 59 cosine 236 degrees, 59 sine 236 degrees. All right, let's get, that's vector 1, and let's keep reading. While flying, the model plane comes across wind traveling in the direction north 17 west. Okay, so north 17 west, okay, would be a vector right here. And let me use green. This angle would be 17 degrees. So when I'm trying to do my complete angle here for my trig function, it's 90 plus 17, right? Which gives me 107. So the second vector is equal to, oh, and what was the velocity? 21 meters, so 21 cosine of 107 degrees, 21 sine of 107 degrees. Okay, V1 plus V2, add those together, guys. So I got negative 39.13 and negative 28.83. So now we're going to get the magnitude of V1 plus V2. Keep doing the same thing, guys, so we should be good at it by now, right? That is equal to the square root of negative 39.13 squared plus negative 28.83 squared. Don't put the negatives in for either one when you put it in your calculator. Comes out positive anyway, right, when you square them. So you should get the resultant speed of 48.60 meters per second. 48.60 meters per second. And now we have to go on and find the quadrant bearing. Okay, so let's first find theta. Inverse tan of the negatives will go away. So 28.83 over 39.13. Remember though, we're in quadrant 3. So if you take the inverse tan of 28.83 and divide it 39.13, I get 36.38, but add 180 degrees because it's in quadrant 3, and I got 216.38 degrees. Now figure out how to put that in quadrant bearing. So let's go to 216. Okay, let's be down here. So we want to do, let's see, so we want to figure out what this is first. Right, we know it's 216 if we take away 180 from it. So 216.38 minus 180 gives us that small piece. My calculator's freaking out. Okay, 216.38. Sorry, I know you're bored. Minus 180. Can't help it. You get 36.38. So this is 36.38, but that's not the angle I need. I need this angle, but I know it's 90 minus that, right? So 90 minus 36.38 is 53.52. There's my number. So it is south 53.52 degrees west. Can't read. 53.62 is what you should have gotten. 53.62. Couldn't read my calculator. So there's the direction as a quadrant bearing. So that was number 7.